What is up, people? In this video I'm gonna show you how to cook, and by that I mean how to make pudding, cause I can't do anything else. So to start off this video, we're gonna need a kitchen, which I am in. And do not mind the tie in my video or the leather jacket, I just wanna look cool. So to get started with, first thing you need is this, a stove, or whatever you call it in your country. Then you get one of those and gently stroke it, like you know what you're doing, you know what I mean? After you're done that, the next thing you need is that circly thingies, yeah? I forgot what they're called, cause I'm a retard. So you need those things that are called a bowl. This isn't really a bowl, but like, it should do the job. Next, for pudding, you need an egg. So you go find a chicken and seal it babies, which is an egg. I swear I did not do anything to the chicken. So the next thing you need is sugar. So you get sugar. Make sure it's in a pink yolky like this, because blue means salt, but like, you know, who cares? Next you need is some chilies. Just like sprinkle it, all of them there. So first thing sorry, my voice. So first thing you need is a pan. Yeah, you need a pan. You need a pan, but if you don't have a pan and you're broke like me, just go to your neighbor's house and steal a pan from their garden. It is 100% safety to your health. Do not worry, this is 100% safe. So the next thing you need is this egg. Just like sprinkle it in there, get a spoon. After you find a spoon, just like mush it in over. You know what I mean? Just mush it in. Yeah, get it good. You know what I mean? Yeah? Just like, yeah, man. Yeah. After you do that, you cut some chilies with a knife. So during this pudding video, you sprinkle a bit of chili, you know? I just cut that. Oh, there's something in my eye. Oh, my eye! Ah! Ah! Oh, fuck's sake. Then you just like mix it in very well. Get the sugar. You get sugar. You don't clean this. Just stick it in there. Take out the sugar. Put it in. Wait, I need that. And like, you know what I mean. Just go to business. Yeah, baby. You like that? I know you like that. Oh yes, I'm single and alone. So that's basically our recipe just finished with there. The next thing you need is this to shoot that motherfucker like you know it's owes you money. So you shoot it. You need a gun to shoot that thing. You reload it. You just shoot it all in. And that's supposed to happen. Yeah. So after you're done adding in the chili and then the sugar and then the bullet, where is the bullet actually? Yeah, wherever that bullet is. And then like after that, you get this, put it in with some chili, and yeah. Oh yeah, you know what that reminds me of? They might be yellow, but they could be white. The ladies love it. Yeah. Young viewers, close your ear. I mean, turn off your ear. Yeah. And then you just turn this on to there. And just wait. You wait. And this is the person that's going to be trying it. Get your face in the camera. Turn around. He's going to be eating it.
I just came here to drink water.
Well, hard luck, you're gonna eat my pudding. So, you just wait a bit longer, you just like stir it in and get it all, you know what I mean? Just like go to business, and if it catches on fire, don't worry, it's part of the thingies. And then during the cooking, you add in a bit of tissue. It makes the pudding taste a bit more nicer, you know? And 100% safe. It will not catch on fire at any chance. Yeah.
Give me the button now!
So during the cooking, it caught on fire. No.
Drink some fire.
Ah, yeah. That sometimes happens. If it catches on fire, just dip it in water and it will be okay. So, yeah, that looks delicious already. Add a bit more of egg shells and mix it all in. And so,
And now it's
now we just wait a few more minutes. So after a while, after the long wait, we have our final pudding. As you can see, the yolk and the sugar and the salt made this nice white bit right here, and then like the chili and all burnt the top, making it a nice colorful pudding. Now it's time to test it. So I got this spoon out of the drain, and we're gonna test this and see if it tastes really good. If it doesn't, we'll just give it to Matthew. Just to be safe, don't do this at home, unless you're insane. So you should know that if you try this at home, you will 100% get killed. So here's the pudding. I will be seeing you guys another time. Adios.